Welcome back to our channel. If you are a seafarer and you transfer your money through Western Union, so let's know how you will redeem your Western Union rewards and how you will use it. First of all, you have to open your Western Union account. Then you have to go to the menu. Then click to My Western Union Rewards. You can see we have 30 points here. Next, click to Redeem Rewards. Just scroll down. Here you will see My Western Union Points, 30 points available. Little bit scroll down you will see Explore Rewards, Points and Cashback. If you want cashback, you can check out here. For points, if you have 25 points, you can save up to $2.5 for transfer fee. If you have 50 points, you can save $5 for transfer fee. If you have 95 points, you can save up to $10 for transfer fee. If you have 140 points, you can save $15 of transfer fee. You can donate also if you want to donate. So here I have 30 points, so I am gonna to redeem 25 points. So I click on this one, save up to $2.5 of transfer fee. Again, click to redeem point. Next, you can see the message, congratulations, you have successfully redeemed this reward and your discount will automatically be applied for your next transaction. If you want to send money right now, just click on send money and it will apply automatically. You saw earlier that there were 30 points here, now there are 5 points left. So in the same way, you can redeem your Western Union points and it will be automatically applied on your next transfer. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.